They require a group photograph. Request the jury members please take your seats. And Ma'am Sridevi, can I please?
One of the most exciting segments of the International Film Festival. Indian Panorama 2017 is a special selection of feature and non-feature multi-label films from various regions in India. The films have been chosen by an esteemed jury, having worked in various industries over the last 50 years. This segment is something I'm really excited about.
Start with the non-feature film, Pushkar Puran. We have it as director Kamal Swarup. Sir, can we have you on stage? Kamal Swarup. And co-producer Kashyap Swarup. Moving on to the feature film,